don't know if I'm overdue, but it's rotating like a top. Okay. What is it about? 43.
627.
627.
743. Are they lifting? I can only see the funnel.
Tractor looks like it's heading to the south side of Friona.
Is it still there? I see it, yeah, I see it. Are you still on 60? See the phone, I don't see any debris. I think it's further down too now. Can I keep going? Oh, it's free on the ground. Oh, it's free. Oh, it's down. Right in front of it. Careful. Just let it go. One more chase, okay? Did it say record, REC?
Yes, it does. Yeah, got it on it.
Just so you can throw one.
I can take it. You want it? I mean, I'm happy to. Okay. My camera's busted. That's great. I can't believe it. an umbrella for the camera?
Yeah, I do.
Good idea. Beauty. Is it normally that nice?
No, this is I know. We're gonna get real heavy RFD with if we don't keep these to it. See, look at that debris. It just blew off. The building just blew off.
It tore down that mill, what it was. I saw the tower tumbling off.
Okay, we're gonna move with it. This is 3410 or something. Oh, I thought dirt. Is that dirt? Might be sitting there.
Pass to our west, 4 east on Route 86.
Huge LP type mezzo or classic mezzo. Yeah, there's great motion and wow, you're right.
There's dust on the ground.
Okay, there's dust on the ground. Dust on the ground. Okay, funnel. Yeah, it was just a brief, but it's still rotating rapidly like a top. Still dust.
to their other thing. Over?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's safe.
It's a beauty.
Yeah. See the flash?
Yeah.
There it goes.
See the debris?
Yeah.
Look at, oh, it's going to suck up the fan if it gets closer. Wow.
Just crossed the road about a mile south of us.
Okay, that's been sent to the limit, sir. Thank you very much. 10, 12, 16, 19, 20, 11 miles due north of Dimmitt.
Yeah,
Wow. I know. Damn. That's beautiful.
Oh my God. Yeah, look at that motion, man.
I know. I'm afraid it's going to max out. We might want to get a little further north, actually.
Enjoy it.
Watch, keep an eye on that, Bob.
You think it's coming at us?
Yeah, but it could max out. You know, it could get wider, and it could come out towards us.
Oh,
Good job.
Man, you don't see this more.
No, you don't. But watch out for strong inflow.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. Great. I'm not even zoomed in. I'll
Price is
zoom.
not dropping. Ah, that's beautiful.
Is this for real? We better make sure that we can get out of it quickly. How far away is it, you think?
It's about a half mile. Oh my God, I never seen anything like this. Oh jeez, how incredible. Oh, words can't describe it. Bob, probe 1 digits. tornado's half a mile east of us. Oh. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's bending that pole. Get in and follow it. East northeast. About a mile. Very large. Yeah, RFD. Yeah. Do you want to follow it from behind? I know. It's just incredible.
Let's see from Pro 1. Tornadoes northeast of us. It's very rapid rotation and the wall cloud around it. They're zoomed in or out? Is it 86?
I got it back.
Is it to our north now?
Yeah, it's to our north.
Maybe 3 to 4 miles west of Nazareth on 86. Pro big, your digits, please. 539155. FC Probe 2. Easier Nazareth, I advise you to go south from Nazareth at this time. Probe 2 FC. Yes, we're looking west-southwest of Nazareth. Rope like. Oh, good. Tornado roping. All right.
It is?
Yeah, it's roping.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, I know, I see it.
About 45 miles west-southwest of Nazareth.
As it had been shown, but it's pending.
Yeah.
Coming at us, you alright?
It's still there.
We're directly beneath that roaring. Okay, Probe 8, you still at the same place as last time? Yeah. Probe 8, all teams, developing now 3 miles to the west-southwest of Nazareth. 3 west-southwest Nazareth. We're right beneath that.
Okay, roping out tornado. Roping out.
Probe 2. Probe 2, I think.
Dental floss. Okay, it's gone. Oh no, it's still there. It's a rope, a real small rope.
Tornado is roped out, but it's still there. Like
Like a ghost of a...
Okay, copy. B, as the motion can be straight at that time. All teams, very strong cloud-based rotation southwest of Nazareth, about 3 miles.
Okay, I see.
There's still a rope.
Yeah.
Very thin.
It's still way up at the cloud base and it's just roping all the way down. Oh, that's great. What a classic. This is classic.
Oh, it's forming a knot.
What?
It formed a knot in the vortex that wrapped around it.